Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to do a forward sweep. For this, you want a nice narrow grip. You want the shaft about horizontal, as vertical as you can. The blade you want nice and vertical, up out of the water. Submersion, you'd like your blade hopefully fully submerged. If you can't, 3/4 is okay. To start this stroke, you want to reach forward, keeping your knees nice and planted and spread apart about shoulder width so you can keep that stability. The entry for this stroke is enter straight in from the front, reaching over, pulling to your hips, and as you exit, you want to roll that thumb forward, sweep it and cut through the air and just back in like so. And I'll continue that. As I continue, you can see how the canoe does a nice spin. I'm pulling the tail end around to my left. The safety for this is just making sure you're nice and stable so when you do sweep, you don't accidentally go for a swim. So the sweep can be done in the back, in the front, or solo. The sweep is generally the same. You always start from the front and pull to your hips.